Does it take a long time for you to upload your print-on-demand designs to print-on-demand platforms such as Made by Amazon and Redbubble? I think I may have just found a solution for you. Flying Upload is a tool that helps you upload your designs to print-on-demand websites such as Redbubble and Merch by Amazon with just a click of a button. If you haven't watched my previous video where I explained where I get my designs from or how to get unlimited designs, I will link it on the screen. Just watch how it works. And notice how it's gonna resize this image in just a moment. Did you see that? It reduced it a little bit to fit. So that is one aspect about Flying Upload that I really admire, is that it resizes the images to fit whatever product you're uploading. It's not like other automation tools like OpKit, Lazy Merge, that there's no resizing. So it just said congratulations and it's done. So when it's done, it shows you an upload report telling you if you're successful or not. There are three plans: the beginner, pro, and advanced. If you're interested in learning more about Flying Upload, you can use my link bit.ly/flyingupload and use the code Vanessa10 to get a 10% discount. All links are found in the description below. In my next video, I will be explaining how you can use KDP, that is Kindle Direct Publishing. It's an Amazon publishing platform for authors, and I'll tell you how to automatically upload design covers into books and publish it on Amazon with just a click of a button. So don't forget to like this video, hit on the subscribe button to be notified when next I release a video about Kindle Direct Publishing. See you on the next one.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.